What's up, guys? It's Bones, and I just want to give you a quick kind of rundown of what the differences are between the Vans Sk8-Hi Pro and the Filmore. So a little bit of backstory, I've been wearing the Sk8-Hi Pro for decades. Love it. It's my favorite shoe, but recently the Filmore popped on my radar as a more cost-friendly budget type of version of the Sk8-Hi. So the Filmore is only available in places like Kohl's and DSW. Still a decent shoe overall, but definitely a more budget-friendly option. Biggest difference I will say between both these, the insole on the Sk8-Hi Pro is removable. It is super nice, comfy cush material. It is a fixed insole on the Filmore. They're doing that to save you a few more bucks. Another feature is the laces are going to be definitely more premium here on the Sk8-Hi Pro. Filmore are going to be a lot more thin. Perforations on the toe box here are going to allow you to breathe a little bit easier on Sk8-Hi Pro. There is none on the Filmore, as well as the rubber vulcanized outsole is going to have a lot thicker material, almost two different layers here on the Sk8-Hi Pro versus one kind of singular layer with another thin piece around the edge for the toe protection. Overall, seeing these next to each other now hand in hand, you can definitely tell which is the more premium shoe. If you're just looking at these online, it's harder to kind of tell that, so I just want to make this video so that you guys can be a little more educated than I was. If you can find the Filmore, you can usually find it on a clearance rack or some sort of better discount with incentives at local stores. Sk8-Hi Pro definitely is a nicer shoe, still my favorite, but at the cost price per difference, you know, I was able to get these at Kohl's for 25 bucks with incentives and being on sale. Sk8-Hi Pro full price is like 80 bucks. You can usually find a discount for a little bit here and there if you look around, but both are cool shoes. I love the look of the Sk8-Hi Pros and the Filmores. I will definitely say this is a better looking shoe in my opinion. Materials are nicer, everything is that. But know that if cost is kind of your main focus here, the Filmore is probably going to be a decent option. Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. I just want to give you a quick breakdown of what the differences that I noticed between both of these shoes are. And if you like this type of content, maybe consider subscribing.